In this video, you'll learn how to hire a mounting service on Taskrabbit. This guide will take you through each step from signing up to scheduling your task with a professional. Start by navigating to the Taskrabbit website. Once you arrive, you will see options to either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. If you are new to Taskrabbit, click on the option to sign up and provide the necessary information such as your name, email address, and password. If you have an existing account, simply enter your login credentials and proceed. After logging in or signing up, look for the button labeled Book a Task at the top of the homepage. Clicking this button will direct you to the task selection page where you can begin your search for services. In the search bar, type mounting. You may also see options like TV mounting or picture hanging auto-suggested. Select the relevant option that best fits your needs. This action will help filter the available services to those related to mounting tasks. Next, you need to enter your location to find taskers available in your area, input your address, or allow the site to access your location. This step is crucial as it ensures you can select from taskers who can arrive at your location. Once your location is set, you will be prompted to describe your job, clearly specify what needs to be mounted, such as a TV, shelves, mirrors, or artwork. Additionally, include details about the wall type and the size or weight of the items. Providing this information will help taskers understand the scope of the job before accepting. After describing your job, you will see a list of taskers who can assist you. Review their profiles, paying attention to their hourly rates and customer reviews. This information will help you make an informed decision about which tasker to hire. Once you've chosen a tasker, the next step is to schedule your task. Select a date and time that works best for you. Make sure to choose a time when you will be available to meet the tasker and oversee the work. Finally, after the task is completed, you will be charged for the service. Payment is processed only once the job is finished, ensuring that you are satisfied with the work done before any charges are applied. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.